Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the process of editing your profile on Facebook. Let's get started. First, navigate to your profile by selecting it from the menu section. Once you're on your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button. It should be prominently disabled. Click on the Edit Profile button and a new window will appear. Here you'll have various options to customize your profile. You can update your profile picture or change your avatar and upload a cover photo to personalize your page. Don't forget to describe yourself in the bio section. This is a great opportunity to share a bit about yourself, your interest and what you're passionate about. Additionally, you can add details such as your current city, workplace, hobbies, and links to other social media profiles to provide more context about who you are. Once you're done making changes, simply save your edits and you're all set. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you in the next one.